My dear listener, it's another day, another chance, another lesson here at Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, Mwaliwa Magi. In this lesson, we are going to look at word family. As we know, word families are groups of words formed from a base or a root word. And here, we do it Kikuyu style. Let's begin. We are going to start with the word gîthomo, which is exactly what we are doing here. Gîthomo means getting an education. Gûthoma, coming from the same word, is the act of getting this education, like from reading. Then, gûthomera is a place, for example, a school, where you go to get this education, or a discipline when you are studying to be something. Then we'll say what you are doing is gûthomera. Gûthomithia is simply to teach. Our next family of words come from the root word kũrega, which means to refuse. Kũregeria means to loosen up. Kũregarega is seemingly refusing to do something. Kũregana is to disagree. Kũregera is to refuse to come out. Our next family, we have the root word kũũmba, which means to create. When a man has a mistress somewhere, we say also what he is doing is kũũmba. The next word is kũũmbũka. Kũũmbũka means to fly away. Kũũmbũra, which is the next word, means to blow. For example, dust. When you speed a car, we say what you are doing there is kũũmbũra ngari. And if you are trying to disperse birds in a farm, for example, by throwing something at them, we say what you are doing is also kũũmbũra nyoni. Our next family of words come with the root word gũkinya, which means to step on or to arrive. Kinyĩra means to try to be at par with. Kinyĩrĩria is to trample on something. Kinyithia is to stand on foot, usually using force. For example, when you have a broken leg and you are trying to make it stand on its own, then you are trying to gũkinyithia. Gũkinyĩra is to withhold something. Next, we have the root word kuuga, which simply means to say. Kuugĩra is to say on behalf of. Kuugĩrĩria, coming from the same word, means to cheer or to scream. Moving forward, we look at another root word, which is kũmenya, which means to know. In the same family, we have imenyi, the know-it-all. Ũmenyo is knowledge. Kũmenyithia is to make it known or to make an announcement. And last but not least, kũmenyana, which means to get to know each other. On matters love, we have the root word kwenda, which means to love or to like. Kwendia means to sell. Kwendana means to love each other. Kwendithĩrĩria means to entice. Kwendeka means to be loved or liked. We look at another root word to make a family here with the word gũthiĩ. Gũthiĩ means to go. Gũthiĩra means to snitch or to go on behalf of. Gũthiĩka means when you are blocking somebody that they are not able to see as much as they should. Or when a road is passable, then we say bara nĩrathiĩka. Gũthiathia is simply to wiggle. Gũthiĩrwo is to be snitched. Another word family with the root word kũrehe, meaning to bring. Kũrehera means to bring to or to bring for. Kũreherwo is to be brought for. And kũrehithia is when you pay for something to be brought to you, or when you request something to be brought to you, or when you make a command for something to be delivered to you. We say kũrehithia. The other family of words have the root word kwĩra, which means to tell. Kwĩrĩra means to promise or to direct. Kwĩrĩrwo is to be promised something. And when you are told something, we say what you have been told is kwĩrwo. Next, we look at another family of words with the root word kũingĩra, meaning to enter. Kũingĩrĩra means to meddle into other people's business, or another meaning is an entrance. Kũingĩrana is when people cope or fit together. Next, we look at the root word kũrenga, meaning to cut. Kũrengerera, meaning to trim. Kũrengarenga, meaning to chop. And kũrengera, meaning cutting on behalf of. Next, we have the root word kũigua, which means to hear or to feel. Kũiguanĩra is to agree upon. And when a decision has been made in favor of, we'll say what has happened is kũiguĩrwo. The next word family has the root word gũcenjia, meaning to change. Gũcenjania, meaning to exchange, while gũcenjacenjia is when something keeps changing. Next, we'll look at the root word gwĩkĩra, meaning to put. Gwĩkĩrĩra, meaning to put for or put in on behalf of. Gwĩkĩrithia is when one directs, commands, or requests something to be put. Gwĩkĩrĩrwo is the present continuous tense, meaning that something is happening, and in this case, something is being put in. Next, we look at the root word kũnyua, meaning to drink. Kũnyuanĩra, meaning to drink together. Kũnyuĩra, meaning to drink from, and this might be a thing or a place. Next, we look at the root word Kumena, meaning to hate. Kumenana, meaning to hate each other. Kumenwo is to be hated. Kumenereria means to make others hate what one hates. The next family of words have the root word kuruga, meaning to cook. Kuruganira, to cook for each other. Kurugera, to cook for. Kurugerwo is to be cooked for. Our next word family has the root word as kuriga, meaning to hit. Kurigithia, meaning to hit against. Kurigana, meaning it depends. Kurigiririo is to be enticed, while kurigeka means to faint. Our next family has the root word as kwara. Kwara means to spread, for example, a bed. Kwaraneria is talking one to another, while kwaririo is one is being spoken to. Kwaririo. Next in our list, we look at the root word kumenya, meaning to know. Kumenyana, meaning to know each other. Kumenyeka means to be known. Kumenyithia is to inform. And kumenyerera is to take care of. Our next family of words have the root word as kuria, meaning to eat. Kurio, meaning to be drunk. Kurira means earning through corrupted means. And kurira is also a thing that you eat from, for example, a plate. Kuririra is the place where you eat from, for example, a table. Kurianira is eating together. Our next family of words have the root word as kurugama, meaning to stand. Kurugamana means a standoff. Kurugamirira is to supervise. Kurugamirerwo is to be supervised. To close for us this list, we have the word moabiririo, meaning the beginning, and moabiriria, meaning the pioneer of something. Moabiriria. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. It is always my pleasure to have you here, and I believe that you will join me for the next lesson as we sample another one just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.